mandatory to count these Omer days?
Okay, all right, that's a good question. It's actually we're going to cover in this book, but to summarize, it's a very interesting question. For men, yes. For women, since it's connected to time, I would say most poskim say no, but for men, yes. And there is a dispute in our poskim. Is it one mitzvah, one big mitzvah to count these 49 days? Or it's a separate mitzvah to count each day separately, right? And what's the difference? It's a huge difference. It's a huge difference. So, meaning, if you, for example, the proper way to count with the first opportunities. The first opportunity when the star came out, or some people count a little early. Okay, proper time. I'm talking about proper time. According to all opinions, stars came out. Nightfall, you count the Omer, and that's it. But sometimes people forget, or they fall asleep, or whatever, and they do not count during the whole night, right? So they must count during the day. And now it depends on the opinion. So if you say that every day is a separate mitzvah, so meaning what? That the next day you can continue count with a blessing. But according to the second opinion, no. Since you missed one day, so it's like the mitzvah is broken. So of course you continue count, but without the blessing. That's the difference. But majority, I think it's. I never looked into too deep, but I think majority would go like every day is a separate mitzvah. So even you spend you missed a day. If you miss the day completely, so that's it, right? So you don't count with a blessing. But if you say during the day, but without you say but without blessing, at night you can continue with a blessing. There's a difference. But women, I don't think they're obligated because it's connected to time. Okay. What else?
And so it is recited that text for a blessing at certain day or a certain point of the day to count these Omer days?
Okay, Beezrat Hashem, we still have time until we count, so that's on my plans. I'm planning to go over all of these things in a siddur, right? So we know exactly what page, how to say it, standing, sitting, what text to say, what is the minimum text to say. If you don't have time, if it's, I don't know, you've fallen asleep, if you start reading all of the psukim, that's it, you're not going to get to it. And unfortunately, there are people like that, so you have to give them the minimum. People are so tired, they work so much, and they have to take care of the family, so you give them whatever they need, the minimum. Okay.